In this video, I'll show you how to see recently watched reels on Instagram. It's gonna be a basic tutorial, so ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notifications to the channel for lots of educational kinds of content like this. Head over to your Instagram, right? Click on this more. Once you click on this more, wait for it to load up, right? Okay, and so it is it. So click on the your activity, right? So wait for it to load up. All right, now if you look at, I think reels, right? I think yeah, I think this is it. This is it, right? Interaction. So you can see right here, this is a reel, right? This is a reel. If I check, let me check video. Okay. Okay, I can see I haven't made any reels, right? So I haven't posted any reel. So this is where you can find it, right? On the interaction tab. So you're gonna see the newest, right? You can see I watched this reel 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is basically how you can check recently watched reels on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the next video.